Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord 2T, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So let's just first launch the Gmail application, and after that tap on the right upper corner. Then we can see that we are logged in into two accounts at the same time. And now just to log out from one from these accounts, we should in Gmail app we should log out from the Google account on our device. So to do that, we should click here to manage accounts on this device and tap to the Google section. Now here we can see these two accounts, and for example to log out from the second one, click here, tap on the right upper corner and click to remove account. Just confirm your action by click to remove account again, and that's it. In Google account settings we can see that we stay only with one Gmail account. And now let's just go back to the application. We can check and see that in app we also stay only with one Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.